Hello everyone, welcome back, and if you are new to my channel, Tech Geek is all about latest tech and gadgets. With today's video, we are going to be doing a review of G-Shock inspired but affordable smartwatch from LOKMAT. This is one of the latest models they have recently released, and if you are fancy getting one, please check the link in the description below. Now without further ado, let's get started. Product came inside this very premium quality retail box, and you can see the watch through the plastic cover. Some of the key features are highlighted on the side, and let's check what you get inside. Well, you get the smartwatch on the top, a detailed instruction guide and a magnetic USB charging cable. And last, I got this glass screen protector to go with the smartwatch as an extra protection. Let's get into the design and the look. This watch designed for extreme outdoor conditions thanks to the heavy duty finish. It is very tough and durable, and it won't cost you a fortune. It is like a Swiss Army type sports smartwatch that can be used in most outdoor conditions without worrying. This watch at around 49mm and its weight about 81 grams. Case thickness is about 12.5mm and it has rubber coated case as a body. The buttons on both sides have the same definition, which is convenient for left and right hands to wear and operate. And you can find the optical heart rate sensor and a magnetic charging connector located on the back of the smartwatch. 33mm non-removable TPU watch strap is very flexible and comfortable. Strap length is about 132 to 200mm, so it will fit anywhere without any issues. It has a tank buckle type which made out from a metal, which gives it more heavy duty look. Furthermore, the one I got is a black, but it is available in blue and green colors. The screen is 1.28 inches TFT LCD full round display with color touchscreen. It is 240 by 240 pixel display and has 5 different brightness levels to choose. Screen is decent and it can be perfectly read in any lighting condition. Furthermore, it has decent touch response and you can easily navigate through the functions. Having said that, swipe left will allow you to access the shortcut menu. Swipe right will bring you the activity report, heart rate monitor, sleep tracker. Swipe down will allow you to access the control center, which has the brightness controller, display settings, including screen timeout, screen wake and dial change. Furthermore, you can choose and customize the vibration intensity and choose the preferred language. Swipe up will show you all the notifications such as missed calls and text messages. This watch has 230 mAh rechargeable battery. Low power consumption hardware design battery may last about 8 to 12 days once fully charged. Furthermore, it takes about 2.5 hours to fully charge from 0 to 100%. This watch connects via Bluetooth 5.0 and you can download the Fit Cloud Pro Smart app simply scanning the QR code. This app is available in both Apple and Android app stores. All you need to do is simply follow the on-screen instructions for pairing process. Then you can create your own profile and customize your own personal activity goals. However, pairing is easy and has lossless connectivity once connected. Well, using the Smart app, you can customize or enable the functions of the smartwatch. Furthermore, features like push notifications. Basically, like most other smart bands, you can get phone calls, messages, notifications straight into the smartwatch. You can choose which app that you want to send a notification through the app. However, you won't be able to answer to the phone calls. Instead, you will have the option to decline the call, but you get short preview of your messages, including most famous third-party messaging services. This is very useful to have as you won't miss any important calls or messages even if you do not have your phone in your hand. Let's quickly check what other features are available within the app. You can customize the daily sport goals, activity reminder and drink reminder. Also, you can connect with Apple Health app. Like I mentioned earlier, this watch has 4 different watch faces installed. You can simply long press the screen to change the watch faces easily. Furthermore, using the Smart app, you can download few other different styles from analog design, digital styles, simple design, or even it allows you to have your own custom watch face. You can assign your preferred background picture as a watch face and custom the position of the date and the time. Only issue I found is when you transfer the watch face from the smart app to the smartwatch, it usually takes about 50 seconds to complete the sync. In terms of additional features, you get Find My Phone option. The smartwatch will allow you to locate your mobile phone simply vibrating. Also, you can use the phone smart app to locate your smartwatch. Furthermore, you can control your phone music via the smartwatch, and you get a stopwatch and a weather app. Also can use the smartwatch as a remote shutter. To take a picture, you can simply shake the watch to activate the remote. And last, you can use the watch to set up your alarm. It comes with heart rate sensor, blood pressure and blood oxygen sensors, and a sleep tracker, which shows deep sleep, light sleep. So you can get an idea to improve your sleep quality. Furthermore, data for the heart rate and blood pressure and blood oxygen records also be saved within the smart app, and you can refer back them by daily, weekly or monthly. This watch comes with multiple sport modes like walking, running, riding and even climbing. Also, you can view real-time fitness and exercise data through the smartwatch. Speaking about activity data, app will display the step count, distance and calorie count. You can compare your daily, weekly activity report using the smart app, and you can check your activity goals. This is IP67 water and dust resistant smartwatch, which means it can survive most challenging weather conditions. And last, you can enable it up to show the watch face when racing up the wrist. So in the end, who can have the benefit of using this smartwatch? Well, I would say considering the price, it is still in the budget range. But those who like to have heavy duty look and wanted to use in any outdoor condition, this is a really great option to consider. So with all that being said, I do really like it in past few weeks of use as my daily watch. Once again, many thanks for watching, and let me know what do you think about this smartwatch. If you like the content, please hit the like and do subscribe to see more reviews like this, and see you again with another video.